Hi Ray, I've got my iPhone here. So to fill you in, I've got a family member who is trying to log in on her iPhone S for Steve, iPhone S, and she's also trying to log on. I'm not sure what her desktop is, but she's getting the redirection when she tries to log in. They're getting the redirection, which I can probably show you. Hang on. So if I go to, where are we? Because they sent me an SMS of it. No, that's no good. I haven't saved it. Go into here. Here. So you can see that, I'm sure. So they're getting, when they try and log in, what's the one above it? Okay, so maybe blank screen, but then it's getting members only, you are being redirected. That's what they're getting when they're trying to log in. Now, if I go to, I can't get rid of the admin bar. So there it is there. And I have a feeling it would be related. So if I go to clear my history, so browsing, cookies, cached, all that, clear that. And it's not getting rid of it. So I'm going to do your trick. And to be honest, I'm having a little bit of trouble on my desktop in a similar fashion, things aren't clearing. So test equals 1. Yeah. So that's what I'm having to do. Okay, so that's what I need to do. And I never used to need to do that. So it's more a browser thing though, is it? I never used to have to do that. So now if I go log in, so on my iPhone, I'm going to use their login details, just to be sure. Mark, JP, OH. Right, so it's working on my phone, but the admin bars come back up again. And they aren't admins, they've just come in as a user. So, okay, they've come in as possibly an admin. Where is that? Oh, hang on. It's logged in as me. Why would it log in as me when I entered something different? Yeah, so that's where I'm up to at the moment. I'll stop the video now. And if you could have a look at this and let me know if you need more information. I'll contact her about what's going to happen on her desktop as well, because she's trying to log in on desktop unsuccessfully as well. I can log in fine on desktop. So if I log out currently, fully log out. So clear everything. I'll log in as them on here. No, I'll just put it in again because yeah, the admin bar comes up for them and me. Right. Okay. So it's logging. I don't know if that's going to be the same on their device. Okay. I'll stop it there, Ray, and I'll send this to you. Cheers.